Move your worksheet, copy your worksheet. The ultimate trick for copy-pasting functionality. Watch the full video to learn all aspects of moving and copying your worksheets. We start now. We are starting with a workbook called Test that contains worksheet called Draft. And I would like to start with creating a copy of this worksheet. I need to do the right click and select Move or Copy menu. In this menu, we are having three main blocks. First one is the name of the book where we would like to receive the copy of our original worksheet. Next one is a position in this workbook where we would like to have this new sheet being placed. And in the bottom, a trigger that will tell the system that we would like to receive a copy and not just move a workbook. So I'm going to select Create a Copy and I would like to receive it in the final position. Clicking OK, and here we have a new worksheet available in the file. I would like to rename it, as by default it is just adding the next index to the original name of the worksheet. To do that, I'm going to do the right click and rename. Let's call it Like. I would like to move Like before the draft. To do this, I need to do just the same operation, but this time I'm going to select Before Sheet Draft and will not tick on the Create Copy. When I'm going to click OK, Like is going to be moved. The next operation that we are going to do is copying the worksheet from one workbook to another. To show you how the files are going to be connected, I'm going to create a link between two tables in two different worksheets for Like and Draft. To do that, I'm going to select Header on Like and will insert it as a link to the Draft table. We are going to use the tricks that we have learned in previous videos. And from the draft, I'm going to select all the values, copy, and the same exercise. I'm going to select all data here, and I'm going to paste special paste links. So now you can see it is connected between different worksheets. Now let's move Like worksheet to a different workbook. We are doing right click, selecting the same menu, and now we are going to select a different workbook. If you would like to create a new one or to copy this worksheet to the blank one, you will need to select New Book. But I would like to move it to Subscribe. Now I'm not going to select anything to be copied and will again select Final Position. So now you can see that in the Subscribe we have received a Like worksheet. Moreover, if we are going to check the data, you can see that it is connected to the test file, and if something is going to be changed, we are going to have it in both files. This is the core of moving and copying your worksheets between two different workbooks. If you found this video useful for you, don't forget to like it and subscribe not to miss the future ones. Cheers!